Oliver Machinery is a renowned brand name with a long tradition of innovation. Machines consistently utilize cutting-edge materials, precision engineering, and industry-leading feature. Thanks to their excellent and dependable quality, Oliver products have been sold internationally and have a corporate objective to fully satisfy each customer. To meet the market demands, Oliver's R&D department have developed a new generation of automatic carving machine, the Oliver IntelliCarve 1013. The design objective behind the IntelliCarve is to simplify operations for general users, converting image files to carving programs that are very easy to use without the need of special training. The IntelliCarve is a tabletop carving machine suitable for carving wood, acrylic, and plastic. The IntelliCarve is especially suitable for small shops, designers, and hobbyists. The IntelliCarve provides X, Y, and Z axis travel at 13 by 18 by 3 inches. The X, Y, and Z axis travels are driven by stepping motors, and the spindle drive is a 15,000 RPM DC brushless motor. The IntelliCarve is an easy-to-operate machine that performs automatic carving operations and is capable of creating attractive artwork. Here are partial samples carved by the IntelliCarve. The unit comes with iPicture software for converting image files needed to read and carve. The IntelliCarve is designed to perform both convex and concave carving. Basic operation procedures are shown as follows. Number 1. Open iPicture software via notebook computer. Number 2. Load image file into the iPicture software. Number 3. Apply settings on the screen. Number 4. Click Preview key to view image before carving. Number 5. Save file on USB. Number 6. Insert the USB into the IntelliCarve. Number 7. Start carving operations. Basically, the concave carving procedures are similar to that of convex carving. The iPicture software can be conveniently operated in Windows 2000 through Windows 7 and can open various file formats such as GIF, PNG, BMP, and JPEG files. Automatic carving machines used to be expensive with heavy construction, but now there is the tabletop IntelliCarve from Oliver that is affordable for everyone. With the Oliver IntelliCarve, you can save on costs, on efforts, on time, and enjoy the pleasure of carving.